Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on the Lenovo Legion 5. Today, we'll be covering the motherboard and hard drive review, providing you with a step-by-step guide to ensure you can handle this process confidently. First, gather the tools you'll need for this task. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Make sure to prepare a clean workspace to avoid losing screws and components. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Legion 5 and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that the laptop is completely turned off before proceeding. Next, remove the back panel using the Phillips head screwdriver. There are multiple screws to remove, so be sure to keep track of which screws go where. If you encounter any difficulty, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Once the back panel is off, you can see the motherboard and the hard drive. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The hard drive is usually located near the bottom left corner. To remove it, unscrew the screws holding it in place, and gently slide it out of its slot. If you want to replace it with a larger capacity drive, this is the perfect time to do so. While you're at it, inspect the hard drive connectors for any dust or debris. A can of compressed air can be helpful for this cleaning process. If you don't have the tools to do this safely, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of travel. Now, let's move on to the motherboard. Check for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components or bulging capacitors. If everything looks good but you're still experiencing issues, it may be due to software problems, so consider running diagnostic tests. If you need assistance with diagnosing your laptop, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. It's always best to have a clear understanding of what repairs may be needed. As you reassemble your laptop, remember to follow the reverse order of disassembly. Carefully place the hard drive back into its slot, securing it with screws. Replace the back panel, ensuring all screws are tightened properly, but be mindful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Before powering your Lenovo Legion 5 back on, double-check that everything is in place. Once satisfied, reconnect the power source and turn on your laptop. If you encounter any issues during startup, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our services offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get support directly. In summary, today we've covered the essential steps in reviewing the motherboard and hard drive of the Lenovo Legion 5. With the right tools and knowledge, you can confidently tackle these repairs and upgrades. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.